hope you all are doing well. Today's video is about number system. आज हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं नंबर सिस्टम. ओके, तो इससे पहले हम स्टार्ट करें क्या होता है नंबर सिस्टम. व्हाट इज़ नंबर सिस्टम? नंबर सिस्टम इज़ ऑल द नंबर्स जो भी आपने पढ़े हैं आज तक. All those numbers that you have learned till now are a part of number system. For example, 4, -3, 2, 6 by 11, 4 by 5, -2 by 9, etc. All these numbers are part of number system. अब ये सब numbers बहुत अलग अलग categories के हैं, right? So there is a need to categorize them. Now what are all the categories जिसमें हम इन numbers को categorize करते हैं? The first one being natural numbers. Natural numbers क्या होते हैं? Natural numbers are all the numbers that are countable in nature. जो भी numbers आप count कर सकते हो are called natural numbers, like the number of fingers that you have, the number of cars that you have, and so on. All the numbers that are countable in nature, for example, starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. All these numbers are natural numbers. So the smallest natural number is 1. Coming to the next category, we have whole numbers. Now what are whole numbers? Whole numbers are all the positive numbers that are there. All the positive numbers. सब positive numbers को क्या बोलते हैं? Whole numbers. They start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. अब आपने नोट किया होगा कि ये सब नंबर्स किस में आते हैं? नेचुरल नंबर्स में. अभी हमने पढ़ा ये सब किस में आते हैं? नेचुरल नंबर्स हैं, राइट? तो होल नंबर्स क्या होते हैं? 0 प्लस द नेचुरल नंबर. सिर्फ इसमें एक नंबर ऐड होता है जिसको हम जो क्या होता है? 0, राइट? कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट कैटेगरी, वी हैव द नेक्स्ट कैटेगरीज ऑफ इंटीजर्स. इंटीजर्स क्या होते हैं? इंटीजर्स आर ऑल द पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव नंबर्स जो आप सबने पढ़े होंगे अभी तक. For example, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. They are endless. They go till infinity, right? So all the negative numbers, the positive numbers and 0, right, make integers. इतना तो क्लियर है सबको? नेक्स्ट वी हैव रैशनल नंबर्स, जिसके बारे में हम सबसे ज़्यादा पढ़ेंगे इस चैप्टर में. रैशनल नंबर्स. रैशनल नंबर्स क्या होते हैं? Rational numbers are all the fractional numbers that you have seen. The numbers that can be written in p by q form. The numbers that can be written in p by q form, where p and q are integers. p and q क्या होने चाहिए? Integers होने चाहिए, and q cannot be equal to 0. This means that rational numbers can be both positive and negative in nature because they are integers. -3 by 2, 4 by 6, 0 by 1, 4 by 9, -8 by 11. ये सब क्या नंबर्स हुए फिर? रैशनल नंबर्स. ये नेगेटिव भी हैं और पॉजिटिव भी हैं इन नेचर, राइट? ओके, सो नाउ वी लर्न कि q पे जो कंडीशन है दैट q कैन नॉट बी इक्वल टू 0. दैट मीन्स द डिनोमिनेटर कैन नॉट बी इक्वल टू 0. ओके, सो नाउ लेट्स लुक इनटू दिस. इफ आई हैव अ फ्रैक्शन 1 by 3, 3 is the denominator and 1 is the numerator, right? So how do you picturize this? You will have 3 parts and one of those will be shaded. So the fraction of the shaded part is 1 by 3, right? Okay, so if I tell you to picturize this 1 upon 0, how will you picturize it? You will at least need a figure, right? If I draw this figure, this itself is one part. ये खुद ही एक part है, right? But denominator is 0, so that means there should be no part. So such a fraction is not possible. It is not possible for us to have a fraction with denominator 0. It is not possible for us to have a rational number with denominator 0. Okay, सबको rational number समझ आया? Any problem, anywhere you find a problem, write in the comment section below and I'll be helping you as much as I can. Okay, so one thing that is left, natural numbers are denoted by the capital letter N, whole numbers by capital letter W, integers by capital letter Z, and rational numbers is denoted by capital letter Q. Alright, so N is for natural numbers, W for whole numbers, integers के लिए Z, and you have Q for rational numbers. I guess इतना तक सबको समझ आ. Okay, so let's summarize what you have learned. Natural numbers denoted by capital letter N is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Then you have whole numbers denoted by W, 0 plus the set of natural numbers, 0 plus the set of natural numbers. Then you have integers, जो इससे बड़ा सेट होता है जिसमें नेगेटिव, पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव, पॉजिटिव और जीरो ऐड होता है. देन यू हैव उससे बड़ा सेट विच इज़ रैशनल नंबर्स, जिसको हम क्यू से डिनोट करते हैं, जिसमें सब फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट्स आते हैं, राइट. All the integers, whole numbers, natural numbers are all a part of rational numbers. Now let's come to a few questions that we'll do. Okay, starting with the first one. Every integer is a natural number. What are integers? What are integers? The negative and the positive numbers, right? Negative, negative and the positive numbers plus 0. Negative, positive and the negative, positive and 0 are a part of integers. Okay. -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Then natural numbers जो हमें पता है 1, 2, 3 and so on, all the countable numbers. Every integer is a natural number. क्या सब integers natural number होते हैं? क्या ये numbers natural numbers हैं? Are these a part of natural numbers? No. सिर्फ ये वाला section moving forward is a part of natural numbers. ये सब natural number का part नहीं है. So every integer is not a natural number. So the statement that we have here is false. It is a false statement. Coming to the second one, all natural numbers are whole numbers. Okay, so natural numbers are 1, 2, 3 and so on. Whole numbers, what are whole numbers? 0 plus the set of natural numbers, right? So already all natural numbers are a part of whole numbers. So the given statement is true. That means all natural numbers are actually whole numbers. Okay. The third one, every whole number is a rational number. Okay, every whole number is a rational number. Whole numbers are again 0, 1, 2 and so on. Now can you write all these whole numbers in rational number form? Rational number form is p by q form, right? Can we write 0 as 0 by 1, 1 as 1 by 1, 2 as 2 by 1 and so on? क्या हम इन्हें ऐसे लिख सकते हैं? लिख सकते हैं, right? With denominator 1. So every whole number is a rational number. So the given statement is true. This third statement that we have here is true. Okay, coming to the last one. Every rational number is an integer. क्या सब rational numbers integers होते हैं? Every rational number is an integer. Okay, rational numbers like -3 by 1. क्या ये integer है? इसका क्या मतलब है? -3. Okay, so ये integer है. Coming to the next one. 4 by 5 is a rational number. क्या ये integer है? No. Right? It is not an integer. Then 1 by 3. Is this an integer? No. So every rational number is not an integer. So the given statement that we have here is false.